Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove featured channel on YouTube. So for this tutorial don't skip the video. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please go for it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's get started. So first you need to open your youtube.com and go to your YouTube channel. Okay, now you have to tap on your profile icon over here. Now go to your channel. So you can see this is my featured channel over here. Now I want to remove it from my channel. So for this you have to go to customize channel. Okay, wait for a second. So when you are land on this page and scroll down, and you can see there is your featured channel here. Now we have to tap on three dot section over here, go for it and tap on remove section. Tap on it and you have to now publish it. Okay, so when you are go to your profile again, and you can see there is no featured channel over here. So guys, this is how you can remove featured channel on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.